It's Katie with WTI. Now that I've lived in my home for 3 years, I figured it's time to finally start hanging up some art. This beautiful frame that you see behind me is by Axeman, and this is a solid oak frame stained walnut. I love this frame because while this art is just a poster print of some beautiful artwork by a good friend of mine, I wanted to treat it a little nicer than just a poster frame. This frame actually does come in a 2-pack. It also came with the hardware, so I was able to hang it up immediately when it arrived. I really like the little pieces on the back that keep everything together. They were easy to use and they were almost like little springs, the way that they clip in and clip out. It didn't hurt my fingers trying to press them down. It was all very convenient and included in the one package. Both frames are very consistent in their quality. I love that they come with their own white mat. I really think it just finishes off the piece to be able to have it in a matted frame. I'm really happy with these Axeman frames. They have a nice quality. They look great in this room, and now this room is finally starting to pull together. And that's my point of view.